Welcome everyone, this is V, and today I'm going to be unboxing or unpacking the Nintendo Switch Everywhere Messenger Bag. So I picked this up. Me and the boys are going to be going on a trip, and we needed something to carry it in. So let's bust it open. Let's get right to it. Packaging there. You get a little feel for fit pretty much anything in there. Okay, flip that to the side. See what we got in here. There, nice build quality here. See what we have in here. So in the bag, the carry bag, we have a pocket here, a carrying case for the Switch. Set that to the side till wait a second here, and it looks like we have a strap on the bag. Velcro there. It looks like this holds the actual unit inside the TV dock. So I have it right here. Let's take a look at it. Let me try and get it together here. I'm taking a guess that that's what that's for. You know what? That's not. Hold on, give me a second. Oh, okay. So that goes there. Sorry. So that goes on the side there. Flip that down. And then this is the actual bag for the Switch. So comes with it there. Let's open that up. Place here. I have my Switch right here. Let's check it out. Oh, it's pretty nice. Close that up. Zip that up. You ready to go? And you know, I've always been a PlayStation guy. My kids, you know, some of the games they just can't play on there, but I know with Nintendo they're more kid friendly. So you know, Mario and all, I mean, how bad is that going to be? Anyway, put the Switch in there like that. Zip it up. We're ready to go. So there it is. That is the Everywhere Messenger Bag from Nintendo. Well, actually, the company's name is PowerA. There it is right here. Third-party company. So it's a really good-looking bag, though. The handle's pretty sturdy. Look at that. Get up and carry it. So there you are. So just remember, like, comment, and subscribe. Tell me what you think. I'll be doing some more unboxing here pretty shortly. So this is V, and I'm out. Peace.